Hey, are OSSD exams stressing you out? Let's dive into the practice test and get you ready to ace it.
Yeah, it can feel like a lot to handle, right? But trust me, the right prep makes all the difference.
So, what exactly is this test? It's basically a dress rehearsal, your chance to see what the real exam's like. It hits all the core subjects you've been studying. Think of it as a complete high school knowledge check. Okay, let's look at the format. Knowing this stuff is key to planning your attack on test day. All right, enough talk. Ready to see what these questions actually look like? Let's try a few. First up, an English question. This one is a real Canadian classic. Think you know it? Okay, here are your choices. Take a quick second to think about it. And the answer is A. Yep, Lucy Maud Montgomery. What a classic. Okay, time for some math. Let's see if you can solve for X. Here are your options. Go on, work it out. And the answer is A, which is 4. Just a little bit of quick algebra there. Nice job. All right, last sample question for you. A bit of general knowledge. What's the capital of Canada? Which one of these major cities is it? You got it. It's Ottawa. So how'd you do? See, practice is everything. Now imagine having hundreds of questions like that. You need a smart way to practice, right? The best way to prep is simple. Test, find your weak spots, learn, and track. That's where Easy Quiz comes in. What's cool is it has 2 modes, one for learning and one that simulates the actual exam. And you get access to a bank of over 184 questions. You'll be totally prepared. Basically, it's your ultimate study partner. Detailed explanations, a mobile app, the whole shebang. And look, other students are already saying it's a total game changer for their confidence.
Plus, the mobile app means you can study literally anywhere, on the bus, on a break, wherever.
So check out easyquiz.com. It's time to stop stressing and start practicing with the right tools. So, are you ready to swap that exam stress for some real confidence? You've totally got this.